So the show's just opened, hence the noise in the background, and now I'm sitting with Nick Jellyman, the Strategic Sales Manager at the GRG Group. Can you tell us a bit more about the group, because it's maybe one that's less familiar to our readers?
Yeah, so the GRG Group is Guernsey Recycling Group. Started off life as Guernsey Recycling on the island of Guernsey.
Right.
Decided to come to the mainland a few years ago, and what they did was they were looking for outlets within the mainland for hazardous waste material collections, transfer stations. So what they did was they bought a company called BKP, who are based down in Romsey, as you can see from our map.
Oh, yes.
So they've got a transfer station facility down there, along with the treatment plant for road sweepings. So segregating water from the solids, treating the water, put it back, and obviously condensing the solids down.
What do you offer specifically to the chemical industry?
So to the chemical industry, it is essentially redundant chemicals. It could be chemicals that come from research and development labs. So we do a lot for companies whereby they have a research and development section. They have spent batches, so they've tested, tried, not worked. Obviously, they have to then be disposed of accordingly. So across the board in Chloros, Greenway and BKP, who are the three main companies that make up the GRG UK group, we all offer that facility. So we offer chemists on site to come and list, identify, segregate and sample chemicals, and we also provide the services of collecting them, repackaging them and sending them on for final destination disposal.
Great. This is your first time at ChemUK?
This is my second year. I was here last year.
Right.
Yeah.
And it went well for you then, I guess?
Yes, it was good. It was interesting to speak to other companies who weren't aware of us maybe, and allowed us to sort of speak to them and tell them exactly what we did, what services we offer specifically within their industry and how we could help them.
Is there anything new within the company since last year?
So the main thing that we've brought on board this year is our aerosol recycling plant. So that is essentially a closed loop system providing segregation of the materials within the plant. So the metal and the plastic, for example, are sent off for recycling. The liquid itself goes into kiln fuel. The gas at the moment is disposed of, but it's captured, so it's not flared off into the environment.
Right.
We are working on a function at the moment whereby we can run it through generators to generate electricity, which will then transfer into our transfer stations and provide us with a self-sufficient electricity supply.
Interesting. Yeah, closed loop, very much the order of the day, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Great. Thanks very much for your time, Nick, and
No
have a
problem
good show.
at all. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you.